wanna be your escape. You feel the walls are closing in. I wanna hear your pain. Baby, you know you can call on me. Baby,
so today I'm going to be working from my phone. You're going to go ahead and search PixArt. It's going to be a blue and purple app that pop up. Once that pops up, you're going to click the PixArt app. Scroll down, hit install. Give that a second to download. And once that's done downloading, you're going to launch the app open. You can just press here. So you can just hit the skip right in the corner. You don't need an account to create this, or any of this, or allow access to all photos. So this is just an app that lets you do like a lot of like photos and artwork, like anything of like the art creative sort. So like down here is just video, camera. You can do different backgrounds for like photos. You can create your own color background for anything you want, or anything you want to do. Then you go up, you're gonna see your photos at the top. You're gonna click the first photo, which is the photo that you want the logo to be added onto. So not your business logo, the logo that you want it to be on. You're gonna choose that photo first. So this is the photo that I'm using today. It's actually not my business logo, but it's somebody I know. You feel free to shop. She sells lashes, lip gloss, all type of girl beauty products. So make sure you tune in with her. Okay, so down here is just a lot of stuff that you can do. We're gonna press add photo. We're gonna choose the business logo that we want to use. Okay, so look, this is the logo. This is your logo. This is your logo that you want to use. This is the logo that you want on your photo when you're watermarking your photo to make sure no one steals it. So you're gonna go over to free crop or shape crop. I think I'm gonna do shape crop because I'm extra. But you can do any one you want. So when you do click shape crop, I chose a heart just to show you that it's whatever you want to do. So I chose a heart. Okay, so once you get it in the spot that you want it, press the arrow. Right here is just colors that you can just click for like the outline of your logo. You can do blue, you can do purple, you can do red. You can do any color you want to do. It's actually good too, but today I want to use yellow. Oh, and this is like the size. If you want it big, if you want it small, you want it a little bit, you want it a lot. I'm gonna go with that yellow. I don't want the outline too big. I want it to be seeable but not seeable, you know? So once you click that arrow, it brings you back to this page. You can minimize it to make it big, small, whichever size you want. You can move it over to whichever side of the screen you want, or wherever you want it to locate on your picture. I'm gonna put mine in the left corner. For her, you can tilt it a little bit. I tilted it to the left. And it also got like a shadow panel where you can click the shadow button, making it like your logo a mini shadow. Like if you look closely or zoom in, you can see right there that the outline I did was yellow or pink. Not so pink. No, it's black. It was back pink. Okay, so that's that. So pretty much this is like the end of it. There's not really nothing else to do after this. But for those who don't know about the PixArt app, you can pretty much do any photo of your choice, any effect, any video. You can add whatever anywhere you want. I do recommend using this app for those things like that. I use this app like that. I've been using it for years. Yeah. I've been using it for years. It's just pretty much just playing around with the app. For those who don't know how to use it, what can you press for this, what can you do for that. You can also add the photo again if you want to and repeat the same step as I showed you in the beginning and just do a different shape. But that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave